Do you know what Photoshop is? It's a powerful tool that has been a game changer in the world of digital design. Photoshop is a software that allows you to manipulate images in ways that were once unthinkable. Whether it's creating a poster for an event, editing a photo to perfection, or designing an eye-catching logo, Photoshop makes it all possible. But who uses Photoshop? Well, it's used by graphic designers, photographers, artists, and even hobbyists who want to take their creativity to the next level. Its versatility and efficiency make it a must-have skill in various industries. Learning Photoshop can open up a world of opportunities. It can lead to a career with a graphic design company, or it can give you the freedom to freelance, offering your skills to clients across the globe. So you see, Photoshop is not just a tool, it's a skill that can open doors to multiple opportunities. Now, you might be wondering, how does Photoshop work? Well, think of Photoshop as a versatile digital canvas, armed with a plethora of tools, each designed for a unique purpose. At the heart of Photoshop is its interface, your control panel. It's a sleek, intuitive layout that houses your tools' menus and panels. On the left, you'll find the toolbox, the treasure trove of Photoshop's capabilities. Let's dive into the toolbox. First up, the selection tools. These are your magic wands, enabling you to isolate and manipulate specific parts of your image. From the simple marquee tools for rectangular and elliptical selections to the lasso tools for freeform selections and the quick selection tool, each serves a unique purpose. Next, we have the retouching tools. The spot healing brush, clone stamp, and patch tool are your digital makeup artists, removing blemishes, duplicating or replacing sections of your image with unrivaled ease. The painting tools, including the brush, pencil, and gradient tools, allow you to add color, texture, and effects to your image. They are your paintbrushes in this digital art space, each stroke adding a unique touch to your masterpiece. The drawing and type tools like the pen tool, shape tools, and the type tool are your aids in creating shapes, paths, and adding text to your image. They are the architects, helping you construct your visual narrative. And finally, the navigation tools. The hand and zoom tools let you move around your canvas and zoom in or out, ensuring you don't miss a pixel. Each tool in Photoshop has a unique purpose and contributes to the editing process, making Photoshop an artist powerhouse. Whether you're retouching a photo, designing a logo, or creating a digital painting, these tools offer endless possibilities. Remember, Photoshop is not just an editing software, it's a platform to unleash your creativity. With these tools, your creativity is the only limit. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Photoshop is a powerful tool that allows you to perform a variety of editing tasks, from creating posters and editing photos to designing logos and much more. It's a skill highly sought after in the graphic designing industry, and learning it can open doors to numerous job opportunities. Plus, with the rise of freelancing websites, you can even use your Photoshop skills to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. It's a tool that can truly empower your creativity and help you bring your unique vision to life. So we've covered the basics of Photoshop and its tools, but remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore and learn. Remember, mastering Photoshop is mastering a new way to express your creativity. So why wait? Start your Photoshop journey today.